Hi guys, and welcome to Amanco Restoration Part 6, I think. And as you can see, it's changed quite a bit since the last time you saw it. The new transfers are on. The nameplate is on there, along with the nameplate down there. As I've probably mentioned before, it's a battery and coil ignition. This will not be a cold start, by the way. The water is pretty hot, although it does start pretty easy from cold. I've not connected up the paraffin pipe yet, don't know if I will. There's the copper fuel line, and it's sitting on some nice homemade wheels. I think they're 22 inch. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So we'll start her up for you guys. Have it. Give you a quick tour around the engine. It's rated at 2.5 horsepower, but I think they're actually 2.25. Then here is the new Okay guys, so I'm going to shut off the fuel at the tap on the fuel tank and let her turn off. As you can see, she stops almost instantly. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Whilst you're here, watch out for the other video, which will be coming soon, on my new engines. So yeah, thanks for watching, and comment, rate and subscribe.